Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your Samsung Galaxy A53 USB charging port using home remedies. So remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, take a brush in your hand and insert one part of the brush in your charging port. Then just gently try to pry the dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.